Kraken tutorial video. I'll be showing you guys how to buy Polygon, ticker symbol POL, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom here and press on the Explore button. At the top, go to Search and then type in Polygon or POL. At the top here, press on Polygon. To proceed, go to the bottom, press on Buy Polygon. Type in the amount of Polygon you're wanting to buy. So if you wanted to buy $25 worth, for instance, you'll press on 25. If all looks good, press on the purple arrow. Then you can go ahead and check out the amount of Polygon you're purchasing, the price, the fee, the total. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on Confirm, and go that way with it. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Polygon on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.